So the next thing that turned my kayak into a fishing kayak would be a fishing rod holder. And that's what we're going to do right now. I know I said I was going to do an anchor next, but the anchor can wait. I'm really excited to put this fishing rod holder on here. This fishing rod holder swivels. I can't really see. Yeah, well, I can't do it with one hand, but it swivels around. And we're basically just going to screw it right into there. We're going to put this wooden plate underneath here to support it and for the screws to go in. The screws will go in the plastic. This plastic is pretty thick, but you know, if I get a big bass or something, like that thing is going to be yanking on it. I want to just make sure that it's sturdy, it's well supported. So we're going to put this plate under here to support the whole thing. So we got 2 screws in. We're going to put the other screws in. And I'll try to get in here to show you what the inside looks like, just so you have an idea. Let me turn on the light here. You can see it's drilled into the wood. That will keep it secure. You know, if I get a big fish, that thing ain't going nowhere. All right, it's all secured. I'm gonna put this on here. There's our fishing rod holder. One step closer to making this a fishing kayak. Ain't that a thing? Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It swivels. It ain't going nowhere. Supported by the wood underneath. We have this adjustable. You can lower it, raise it up, tighten that down. Oh yeah. Pretty happy about that.